Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to track trends via Google Analytics. Now, it's very important for you to view statistics over time so you can track trends. And Google Analytics enables you to adjust the time frame as well as compare that period of time to a similar period, whether it was the previous quarter or the previous year. Now to do that, I've already logged into my Google Analytics account and I clicked on the reporting tab in the top menu. So from here, what I'm going to do is set the time period. To do this, next to the date you see in the top right hand corner, I'm going to click on the drop down menu, and then I'm going to select the time frame from which I want Google's analytical statistics. So here I'm going to start with, let's say, October 1st and then end on December 31st by clicking on the end date. So here in the date range you see October 1st through December 31st. This allows me to view a quarter. And now what I can do is I can compare it to a similar time period. So I'm going to select the Compare To box, and I can do the previous period, which would be July 1st through September 30th, or what I can do is compare this particular quarter to that same quarter the previous year. So now I'm going to compare side by side October 1st, 2013 through December 31st, 2013 to that same time frame, October 1st, 2014 to December 31st, 2014. I select Apply, and now Google Analytics will show me a nice comparison side by side of those two time frames. The orange line represents 2013. The blue line represents the most current session, which is October 1st, 2014 through December 31st, 2014. So here we see a nice side-by-side comparison, allowing us to see if there were any drastic changes from last year to this year. This is especially useful if you've done a change to your website, let's say in the last few months, and you want to see if that change has affected the performance of your website. So you can compare the time now after the change you've made to the time previous to when you've made the change in your website, and any anomalies will appear, and this will help identify if those changes were worthwhile. So that's just one example of how you would use tracking or the comparison in Google Analytics.